Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aileen. I just got off the live with them crafty girls and I wanted to show you what we did or what I did while we were on the live. So here are the Kia's Crafts ribbon, elegant ribbon spool thing. I don't know what it's called. I'm trying to turn it into a tag flip. So I did this one first 2 weeks ago, 2 Sundays back. And all I did was added some of my Nuvo glitter drops to the bird and the leaves. And yeah, so that one I call finished. And then I did the same with these 2 tags. So it's all the new, I want to say April release, die set, stamp and die set. The birds are from the new release. The Hello Spring is the new release. And then these are her older dies, which is the, what are these leaves? The leaves are, yeah. Let's see, Kia's Craft Elegant Leaf die set. So you get a large and a small. I really like the small size, but for filler, the big ones come in really handy. I love it that they're on a plate and you get more than one, so you're not cutting a leaf out one at a time. So that's really, really, really handy. And then I worked on this butterfly paper clip on the live, and you just cut this on a fold, and then you have the backside finished. In between the 2 layers, I added some Dollar Tree tulle for this one, and then some of these heart leaves. It's also Kia's Crafts die. And then in between the butterflies, you know, I put in some of the glitter drops. Or not in between, but on the edge of the butterfly. I'm sorry. And nothing in between these 2, but I added one of the flowers. This is the, what is this one called? The edge something. Edged flowers, pretty much what it's called. Did one flower here, added some of those little leaves from the Kia's Crafts, just little pieces. And then this little center on my flower, if you can see it right there, that is a punch I used. I think this is Hobby Lobby. Yeah, punched it out of some gold leaf paper and just put it in the center of this flower. So that is really all I wanted to share. On this one, I didn't get to complete it. There's some doilies in between the butterfly layers, just giving it some kind of dimension behind the butterfly. And between the largest layer, I put the pink doily. And I was going to add some more leaves and a flower also on top. And yeah, so once I get that finished, it'll pretty much look similar to this one, but we'll see. So yes, thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. While you're at it, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video or when I go live on my channel. And if you're not familiar with them crafty girls, how it works, we're on Instagram. There is a Them Crafty Girls page for us, so we can announce when we're going live and which channel will be on. So if you're not following us there on Instagram, please do so, and that way you'll know which channel to go to when we do our Sunday lives. So again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.